To use Pepperstone in TradingView, follow these steps to integrate your account and start trading directly from TradingView's interface. Create a Pepperstone account. If you don't have an account yet, visit pepperstone.com and open a live or demo account. Complete the registration and identity verification process and find your account if you're planning to trade live. Access TradingView. Go to tradingview.com and log in or create a TradingView account if you don't have one. Connect Pepperstone as a broker. On TradingView, go to the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Look for Pepperstone in the broker list and click on it. Select Connect and enter your Pepperstone account credentials. Authorize connection. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between TradingView and your Pepperstone account. Place trades on TradingView. Once connected, you can trade directly from TradingView by clicking on the chart. Use TradingView's order panel to place market, limit or stop orders. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels.